How to fix Google Chrome waiting for the network problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome waiting for the network problem. So guys, there are three steps how to solve this, how to fix this problem. So I will show you in stepwise. The first step is make sure that your internet connection is on. Just check out because sometimes internet connection automatically gets off, so just make sure that your internet connection is on. So the second step is you have to go to your settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager, whatever it may be. You have to go there and then just search for, I will search for Chrome here, and then I'll search for Chrome here, and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And then you can see our storage. Click on storage, and then you have to click on clear data. You can see on the below of your screen clear data, and then you have to click on clear cache here. So now again go back, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow all the permission here. Now guys, you have to go back to your settings, phone settings, and then you can see here about phone. Go to about phone and then press on system update. So guys, you have to check whether there is anything available to update. You just update it, the problem will be solved. Just thanks for watching.